Hi everybody, I just wanted to share with you my latest project. I found a tri-fold folio tutorial by the Paper Jungle. I haven't done any other tutorials before, but it was very easy to follow and I'm very pleased with the result. I hope you like it. I chose to use Woodland Friends from graphic45 as my papers. I'd got the Patterns and Solids pack as well as a pack of the main collection. Now I did have a couple of extra sheets, so I was pleased that I did, because I try to, when I make something, I try to leave at least one of each paper design still intact so that I can make something else as well. It's just the way that I am. So these papers are absolutely beautiful. My only criticism is that, now I'm not going to be able to show it to you, I don't think. Yes I can, here it is. This cup of, no, that's that cut apart. This cut apart here, which is beautiful, has got this paper on the back, which I love with all the foxes on, but you have to sacrifice these if you want to use it. I couldn't sacrifice those because I wanted to use them in the project, so you will see. But you get one of those, so I've got one of those left, and then I've got two of these left because I happen to buy a couple of extra sheets. If there's ever a possibility when I order a pad, I always get a couple of extra sheets of the cut aparts because I know I'm going to use them. And that one just had that on the back. These rabbits I love. And then they've got that pink on the back. The Woodland Friends here. And it's got the blue check on the back. This one with all the squirrels. They're so cute. Has got the blue squirrels on the back. I didn't get to use that paper either because I liked this so much. I couldn't cut into that to have the blue. This I think is absolutely stunning. And it's got the green on the back, which is also gorgeous, but I didn't use the green because I wanted to keep one page. And then this one, I used this side. I didn't really like this side much, it didn't suit me, but everybody has their own taste. And then this one, which I think is beautiful, and then I didn't use the green leaves. So out of the Patterns and Solids, what I did was I took one page of each out to allow myself to use that, which left me with one page of each left in here. So I have got enough left there to make another project. The one thing I do want to say to you, because I might have said it in the past, but anybody new might not have seen this. I tend to use cream for my tags and my backing. The reason that I do that is because I buy a load of these when the school children have gone back to school and everybody's brought all their school supplies. Very often these are reduced. Now there's 10 in a pack, I paid $1, and I've got so many of these. So what I do is I open them up, and inside you do have this, which of course you don't want. However, when you cut this down to the size of your mat, etc., and you're gluing it down onto something else, it doesn't show through. So this is ideal for matting, and it's so economical. So that's why I always make my tags and things with this. The only snag with this is that any glue does show through. So if you do your squiggles with your glue, that will show through. So what I tend to do is I just put sticky tape around the outside and leave it at that. And it's worked fine, so, and I've used it so many times. So just wanted to share that with you, that if you get the chance to get any of these manila folders at a reasonable price, they're great for that. So here's the album. This is the front. Now I haven't put extras on the front because of course it's going to fold out and I don't want things squished. But I don't really like to put flowers and things on the front of my albums, as you know. But I've raised this up because I wanted it to stand up a little bit. But I just love this. I think it's gorgeous, one of the cut aparts. So the back is the blue part. And I think that's gorgeous as well. Again, I haven't added anything to that because there is no need to, because otherwise you're going to squash it. So let's open up the first part. And the first part here, I did squirrels and green. So here you've got a little pocket. So again, that's just a tag from out of the manila, and I just put a spare little bit of what was left, and you can put a photo on there and a photo on there if you want to. But that's to show you that that's a pocket. This as well is a pocket, and I backed one of the little cut aparts there to show you. Now this opens, Woodland Friends, and so you've got space for 2 photos there, and that's that gorgeous squirrel paper. It's so nice. You can put a photo there, or you could just pop extra photos in there if you didn't want to cover up the squirrels. And that's on a magnet. And then this side, I've made a little pocket here so that you can see that that's usable as a pocket for a photo, etc. And the same here. And then you've got 2 photo spaces there, and you've got the squirrels but in green this time. So this part was squirrels and green. Turn it over and you're continuing with the green. I've backed one of those just to show you that you could fit actually quite a few in here. I just love this paper. I just think it's gorgeous. And I made that into a little pocket as well. You could just put a photo mat there if you wanted to, or whatever you choose. And then the reverse of that is tying into the middle section. So I just popped that in there. So now what we're going on to woodland collection of all different animals and brown. So that is just beautiful, isn't it? So that flips up and you can see that there. And then this opens up and opens up. Nice big photo space there. This comes down. Go like this so that you can see. And it opens that way and that way. And you've got 2 photo spaces there. And you've got these lovely woodland creatures in the middle. The colours are just so nice that, you know, the work is done for you, to be honest. And then I just popped that in there so that you could see. You could put big photos in there, or you can put 2 photos on there, whatever you choose. And there we are. Have I got that right? No, I haven't, because I've got to bring that down. No, I haven't. There, I could hear the magnet then. And that goes like that. So I'll bring you across this way. So this side we've gone on to pink, and it's rabbits. What did we have? We had squirrels, rabbits. So I've made this into like a little tuck spot, and I couldn't resist showing the back of this because I think it ought to be seen, but it's just the back of one of these, and it's to show you that this is a tuck spot on there. I'm going to leave it in there for now. Oh, actually I might need it. So you've got there, you've got a space for a photo, and you've got another tuck spot here with another lovely rabbit, and you've got the 2 photo spaces there, and the big central piece that you can put photos on or whatever. So let's just fold that up, put this back in here, and that flips that way. Just popped a booklet in there for now just to show you that, you know, you can fit quite a lot in here. And then we go on to the pink part of the rabbits, which is very nice. And again, I put that in there to show you that you can put, it's a pocket, you can put things in there. And then this one I've left as it is because I couldn't decide whether to put some plain cream mats on it or what to do. So I've left it. I decided that I would leave it to whoever to decide whether they put photos on it or journaling cards or whatever. So here again, this is a pocket, well, a tuck spot. And now we're on to the woodland animals again. And that opens up. Isn't this lovely? Keep on dreaming. And again, that's a tuck spot. So you've got 2 photos there, and you've got, I think that's too big to fit in there, too wide. Let me grab one of these tags or something from here so you can see. That's a tuck spot, and that's a pocket actually, and that's the big pocket for in here. So you could put a photo there, and you could also put some tags across if you wanted to. But I think the paper is stunning. It's, you know, it's so nice. But then graphic45 is one of my favourites, I have to admit. And that then folds back that way, and that's the try part of the folder. I thoroughly enjoyed making it, as I say. It's worth going to have a look at, I think it was the Paper Jungle. I've forgotten already, but I have said at the front of the video. Thank you very much for watching. I have no idea what I'm going to make next, but I guess we'll find out soon. Bye.